In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send emails with Wix in just a few simple steps. Whether you're new to Wix or just looking to make the most of its email capabilities, this guide will walk you through the process clearly and concisely. So let's get started. First, navigate to the Wix website and log into your account. Once you're at your dashboard, direct your attention to the left sidebar. Here you'll notice several options and you want to hover over the Marketing tab. This section is a great resource for managing all your promotional activities through Wix, and today we're focusing on email marketing. Now, after hovering over Marketing, a drop-down menu appears and you'll want to click on Email Marketing. This will take you to a page where you can choose how to proceed with your email campaign. For beginners, you may find it helpful to start by selecting a template. Simply choose a design that aligns with your branding and the message you wish to convey. On the other hand, if you prefer to have full control over the design and layout, you can opt to start your email from scratch. This allows for a more personalized touch tailored to your specific needs. Once you've chosen either a template or a blank design, it's time to customize your email. Click on Edit Template. Here you can modify the theme to better suit your brand's visual style, whether that involves changing colors, fonts, or overall layout. Next, adjust the background to further align with your desired aesthetic. Customizing these elements helps ensure your email stands out and makes an impactful impression on your recipients. With the design in place, it's crucial to check how the email will look to your audience. Click on Preview and Test. Previewing lets you see the email from the recipient's perspective and makes it easier to spot any last-minute adjustments that might be needed. This is your chance to make any final tweaks before it's live. After you've reviewed and are satisfied with the look and feel of your email, click on Next. This takes you to the Target Audience section. Decide who will receive your email, whether it's all contacts or specific groups. A great tip here is to tailor your message to particular groups to increase engagement and relevance. Once you've selected your audience, click Next again. Now your email is ready for the final step. This is where you click Publish. Doing this sends your email out to the chosen recipients, concluding your email campaign setup with Wix. So there you have it, a straightforward guide on sending emails with Wix. By following these steps, you can efficiently reach your audience with beautiful, customized emails. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.